God. He's scared. You yeeted him off the bed.
He crawled on my leg.
Lauren, it's moving day. Oh, look at that view. Hey, buddy. Break. Let's go. What are your business? Oh, it's an alarm going off.
Big loud. Big loud. Look, like this dog. The other one can swing itself. Why are you doing like that?
Alright, we are out of here. We've been here in a hotel for what, 14 days, and now we're headed to Playa Hermosa for a month. Alright, well, hate to interrupt your meal, sir, but we gotta go here.
Oh, he's carrying it. Goodness, this is beautiful.
Alright, we're here. Let's go check this place out.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to be ready to control him once in a while.
This place is incredible. Yeah, that's the porch, buddy.
That's worse.
Wow.
Except which one is Daddy?
Yeah.
It's only one room that has the kitchen.
Wow, boys, look. Wow. Oh, man. I get used to this.
I'm not leaving. This is our home now. We
Yeah,
live
right.
here.
Well, it is for the next month.
We're claiming it. What do you say, Leo?
That view is definitely not going to get old.
Have our coffee in the morning.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Well, I'm going to get all this stuff put away.
Yeah, you are.
Let's get us all unpacked. Alright.
No, Mommy is.
Mommy is.
Rips on place.
I got all
Here we go. Alright, we just got settled in our place. Ran to the grocery store. I'm cooking up some carne molida. Got the fam outside playing cards. Alright, I cannot wait. There's a hill up the side here. There's going to be some awesome views. We're going to go check that out tomorrow. That's going to be cool.
not very good. I mean, I do.
It is winding down. It is bedtime. About time to get the boys in. We're gonna go do some adventure in the morning, so we'll see you then.
I told you I've been hearing things.
Oh my gosh, I'm already laying perfectly up there. Well,
Okay.
love you. I'm going
No,
to
no,
bed.
don't leave.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how to get them off there without
His
hurting
little
them.
legs. Toes. I'm not okay.
He was just trying to snuggle,
Did
that's
you not
all.
hear me scream?
No, but I heard you go, Seth. And I was like, what is she yelling at me for? Oh wow, look at him. Oh, he's gonna make his own exit. Look at that.
Oh, it's hot.
We can wash it. Oh no.
Oh. Should you wear goggles?
It's gonna be like,
Don't let it land on you.
it's Ratatouille.
Is that a movie?
Yeah, you never seen it?
No.
Look at this dude.
Where is it?
Come on. It is Bob.
Oh. There he.
Wow, he is fast.
He's gonna jump on Leo. Please don't. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Away from the bed. Away from the bed.
You just in circles.
It's okay. Leave it.
There he goes. Oh, he's right there. Good morning. It's another beautiful morning in Costa Rica. This is what I'm enjoying, this view. It's me and Rip. Everybody else is asleep. Out here enjoying some instant coffee. Oh, there's a gnarly rip current. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It is ripping out there. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy my coffee, enjoy this view. And then once everyone wakes up, go do some exploring.
Wow.
Oh wow, it's incredible.
Wow.
Let's stand right here.
Oh, it's way over there. I see people here.
Oh, it's awesome. What a view.
Oh, whenever it just starts pouring. It is.
Oh, you see the udders? Yeah.
Yeah. So the mom is gonna get mad if she.
Yeah, look at them.
Look.
Is that you?
This is the Brahma cow species, the predominant cows they have here in Costa Rica. They're not as tasty as the Angus, but they are tasty.
Hey, that cow is like people now.
One thing I've always found interesting in Costa Rica is the living fence posts.
But that's a
They're
big
all
daddy
trees.
cow.
Mm-hmm.
I guess that makes maintenance a lot easier. That one right there. That's a GC one.
Oh, I told one too.
Alright, I'll get it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. Yeah.
It's pretty hard to get how much I mean, you have to just sit up close.
What do you think, Leo?
Really sour,
Really sour? Oh yeah, beautiful, perfect. This is the limon mandarina. That's like a lime and a mandarin mix. It's very tasty. It's great tasting in water. All right, it's about dinner time. I'm gonna make some burgers. I got some carne molida from the local butcher. They also got some raw smoked provolone cheese, and this stuff is tasty. So excited about that.
Hey guys.
What you eating?
Burger.
Burger, that's right. Alright boys, let's eat up and then we're going to bed. It is nighttime. Alright, nighttime. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video and join us on our next adventure. Christ is King.